Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Continue with the class 5th, chapter 5. More on PowerPoint 2016. In this chapter, I have already discussed all the objective of this chapter. Now, question answer is once again, what is the use of the slide shot views? Slide shot view क्या है? तो slide shot view is helpful if you need to change the order of slides, insert or delete the slide, add the transition and set the timing of the slideshow. These are the answer of the question 1. Now question 2, name the difference between the normal view and outline view. So normal view is the main editing view which is used to write and design the slide for the presentation. In normal view, you can add text, graphics, sound, animation and other effects to your slides. And outline view display only the text on your slides. In the outline view, this view allow you to quickly edit the text on the slides and view the contents of all the slides at once. And question number 3, explain the utility of the smart loop. A smart look is a new features in Office 2016. These features allow you to find the information for the selected words or phrase on the web using the search engine. Being it does not force you to open up the web browser every time you need to quickly word definition. Now question number 4. What do you understand by the comment? What are the useful? Comments are the great way to provide the feedback to the author about their presentation. They can also be used to collaborate and work together on a presentation. They are more like sticky notes and can be added to an object, text or whole slides. Comment in a slide can be turned on off anytime. So these are the questions answer of the chapter question 4. And what is the utility of the photo album? Question number 5th. Photo album is a features that allow you to club your personal and business photographs together to use a presentation. It does not provide a way to insert online picture directly, so you should download picture from your online storage and put them in a folder on your hard drive. This way you can access all the images that you want to include. And now questions of 6. What is the ink innovation helpful? How is ink innovation is useful? Ink innovation. Office 2016 provide you to with another imaging features that enable you to innovate with ink to write notes, create shapes, highlights, a key concept and much more. You can also convert your hand-drawn shape to uniform geometric shape by selecting them and then converting to shape. Now question number 7. What is the ink equation? So ink equation is a new features using which you can add math equation into your presentation. Ink equation is easier to use if you have to touch enable device connected to your system. You can use your finger or a style to write equation directly on the screen and PowerPoint convert them into the text. So these are the answer of the question 7. All the questions along with the objective of chapter 5th complete. Next day I will continue with the formatting of presentation. Thank you. Have a nice day.